Hey everyone, welcome back to Joe on Film. Today we're going to go to the FanBoy Expo. Today is August 7th, 2022. Let's get to it. We are heading across the bridge to go to the convention center for FanBoy Expo 2022. We have made it into the convention. So now it's time to go down the escalator. Mini escalators.
I paid for your way in.
Walking into the hall. Let's see what cool stuff we can find.
I am Pat.
Really cool Wednesdays. I love the Game of Thrones one. That one's cute. Oh, and they got a black light too, like Marilyn Monroe. That's really cool. We got some really cool figures. We got Captain Spaulding and Ash. Brendan Lee's the Crow. Jason. Pinhead kind of staring through the back. Very cool. Oh, look at this Deadpool. We need all this stuff. So it looks like we have the celebrity panels are all on the left side. And the crowd's not too bad for a Sunday. I put a spell on you to watch more videos. The Eddie Munson Cup. Stranger Things was amazing this season. Dude. Pineapples on pizza. Rest in peace, Eddie.
What are you looking at that thing?
See you later, Mickey.
Yeah, don't hit the customer.
Mickey, the security guard. The Jedi security guard.
It's going to run you about one.
Am I the only one that remembers this TV show? Such a good TV show. Really cool to see these figures. I've never seen these before. Everybody's showing up in their garb. Uh-oh.
She is. No.
There's a killer clown from outer space behind me. And I think he's getting closer. I do love cotton candy though, so. We have just met Lord Varys and got his photo and autograph. Noodles. The Batmobile from the original TV series replica. I used to watch the show all the time. Loved Adam West. If you're as much as a fan of horror as I am, these are really cool, and I love this Sam's Candies. I might have to pick that one up.
And then we pass them out of resin.
Awesome. I need that one in my house, and I need to paint it chrome.
Yeah, that's off the foam stunt piece they use for the seat.
Really cool. Well, I have a Jurassic Park card. So I've got dinosaurs in the bag, but not as big as that. So
Yeah, we have, that's the 1-to-1 copy from Stanley Studios. It's their maquette.
Oh, cool.
So, and then this is the 1-to-1 Baby Raptor maquette that they did. And if you take your phone and you scan the QR code, that'll take you to our eBay site. We have even the one-to-one raptor eggs and stuff.
Oh,
and we
okay.
can ship worldwide.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
That's what I look like when I get up in the morning. Hey, how you yeah. Yeah, you guys are going to be at CreepyCon this year?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got VIP tickets for CreepyCon, so.
Yeah, we're gonna do another booth over there. Yeah, come check.
We'll have a little bit bigger of a booth. Maybe do a little bit of actual scaring. This one we're just like,
Right.
yeah, we don't do so much here. Some people walk or give they walk a little good bit around.
Right. Hi.
Ancient Lord Village.
I'm assuming Maid Marian.
No, I'm a queen.
Oh,
Yeah,
Queen Marian.
Just plain old queen.
No, just Queen.
The queen.
Queen Ashley.
The queen.
You got some really cool stuff.
So everything you see up here,
How are you guys doing today?
Hey, how you doing?
Well,
Really cool. Oh, I love that low pan.
4 for 40.
Oh, cool. That is really cool. I love the colors.
Yeah. And then you'll be doing pork chop?
I'm going to be doing a pork chop express, also jack to go with the set. So I'll be doing
Awesome.
the set. Hey guys, how are you doing today?
You guys on Etsy
No.
or like Instagram?
Instagram is the
Yeah.
best.
Instagram.
Yeah, that's all of us.
See, when you're in the South, you gotta get those fountain drinks.
That's right.
You don't get them from a bottle, you gotta get those fountain drinks. Oh, we got Deadpool walking by. Hey, how's it going? Having a good time? Having a good time?
Hello, people.
Thanks.
No problem.
Gotta love seeing old toys. Really into the Power Rangers when I was a kid. Warriors, come out and play. Hey guys, so what we did get is a mystery box. So I got a $40 mystery box. We'll find out what's in it later in the video.
Ladies and gentlemen, Keith David will be leaving at 3:30. He will be leaving at 3:30. So if you would like to get your autograph, picture, or anything else with Keith David, his table will be closing at 3:30.
Yes, Lord. We might have to try some fudge. So they have unicorn food, cotton candy, Panther fudge, America's fudge, fudge of steel, orange creamsicle. Okay. First thing in the mystery box, right on top. It's a plushy bowl. It's a soup trope. A Hot Topic exclusive Funko. What else did I get? I got whatever that is. I don't watch anime. So. Deathmatch. I got Batman graphic novel, Night of the Owls. Oh, and I got some dice. I got a pen. Looks like a Funko pen. Don't think it is. It's Disney, so that's got to be Pinocchio. Pinocchio. Got some stickers. Oh. I got a Dragon Ball sticker. And then I got the plans, or the patent for the Star Trek Enterprise. Not too bad of a box. I wouldn't pick another one up. We gotta go up. I don't need a stairway to heaven, but I need an escalator to heaven. Because if you're dead, you at least get a little luxury of not having to walk the stairs yourself. And that will do it for us at the FanBoy Expo 2022. Join us next time.